The midday stream from Arca, I like it.
In the dust of a dying sun, two shadows face, the showdown has begun. The echoes of battles past, chilling whispers telling you to turn back. This time we're back in heat, diamond hands and diamond feet. Can't stop, won't stop. Game stop, game stop, game stop. The ghost of
Smoke, fill me in what I missed.
What's that?
What is up, my family, and welcome back to the fucking show, man. Let's go ahead and throw those A's in the chat right away. If you can hear your boy speak, go ahead and throw those A's right in the chat right now, man. What is up, man? Let's get this thing rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling, man. Oh, yeah, very excited to be here in the stream once again, guys, as we're pushing to the upside here on both GME and AMC, getting this news that all of the lawsuits right here for Ryan Cohen have been completely dismissed, man. I will say that is incredible news, and I will also remind you that we were kind of looking at these upside prices yesterday, but the upside prices were also to validate a potential bear play. So we're gonna need ourselves to get out. We're gonna need ourselves to get out of these resistance levels in order for us to continue the upside. All right, so notice the resistance here that I have presently on the screen in front of you. 28.23 to 30.27 is what we spoke of. If we resist there, guys, if we resist there, we're gonna catch a downside, okay? So right here is the key moment. This is the key time for GME to make its move towards the upside. Right now, let's go ahead and take a look at AMC here as it's continuing to the upside. And I will say that my personal position here, wait. Gotta be completely transparent here, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up. Let me go ahead and open up the broker here and give you the information as it is, right? Okay, so currently my small position on AMC is up around 20%. All right, you guys, so I am looking to take profits somewhere. Let's find out. Why don't we do that? Why don't we just find out, like, as a brand new trader, what is the resistance, or what are the resistance zones here for AMC? So let's pop them up. I did have this analysis already going with the trading team a little bit earlier, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and share them here with you if I can freaking find them, right? So let's go ahead and just get this up. All right, let's, hold up. 5-minute time frame bearish engulfing happening, 3 minutes and 22 seconds to close. Hold up. Let's figure out all of this play as it goes. All right. What time is it too? Let's see. We're currently at okay. The hourly time frame is where we need to be. We just got an hourly close. All right. Okay. Now remember, team. Usually when you get an hourly close, you are waiting for the candle to pull back, the current candle, right, to pull back around 50% or 44 to 50%. So let's go ahead and just get that target first, right? Just like this. Let's mark off the range of the prior bar, high to low. And this is going to be your 50% zone, right around 526. It does not have to reach down there. I'm just telling you that that's typically the behavior. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark that off here so that we know how the play can happen, right? So 526, yeah, 526 would mark off this support zone. And do we have a continuation to the upside? Well, let me bring up the RSI here and find out for you. We'll make sure to look at that exact detail. So let's go back down to the 30-minute time frame. Oh, man, okay. Yeah, okay, so we do have the 15-minute time frame. This is about to cross below. I do expect this to cross below the SMA 14 because the 30-minute time frame would be the one to catch price action here. Okay, so let me just go ahead and bring this up for you one more time. Let me tell you again, the 15-minute time frame likely to cross below this area here unless it bounces from it. The 10-minute time frame should already be crossing below that RSI. There you go. This is your gravitational zone here. This is going to get pulled down. But where does this blue line get caught? Where does it get? Who catches that, right? At what point does this stop falling? This is why we cascade the times using from oh, dude, that's nice. Trader Dog. That's really nice. Guys, okay, for those of you who are with me right now, let's take a little bit of a moment here and make sure that we can go ahead and throw a little bit of a thumbs up to Jackie Letitz, right? Because you guys are actually telling me that he's giving us some fire, right? So he's giving us some thumbs up. So guys, please make sure to throw Jackie Letitz right now. Do me a favor. I can even provide you the link, right? Let me go ahead and get that for you, and we'll all go together and we'll say what's up to him. Okay, hold on for me. Hold on. Okay, I want to do this with you, so then we just go up to him and say what's up together. All right, hold on just a quick sec. I'm gonna get you that link right here. Here we go, and we're gonna go over to Jackie. We're gonna tip him something, all right? But we're gonna do it all together. Hold on just a sec. Here is the link, right? All right. So guys, meet me there right now. Let's go over to Jackie's stream and say what's up to him, and wait for me there, right? So I can go ahead and give him a little bit of a dono, right? And we'll see what's up with it. We'll see what's up with my bro here, man. Awesome stuff, dude. Awesome stuff. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna flip you over on the screen here in just a sec. Let's see. Meet me there, guys. Say what's up. Say what's up from the Arca family. Go. All right. Let me press play on this thing a little bit. I gotta hear him. Oh my goodness, man. Come on. All right. You guys there, right? Okay, hold up. I can't, here we go. I have to be proper. What is going on? Let's go. All right, you guys. I love it, man. I love it. We were able to give the boy a dono, right? Nice, man. All right, so let's go ahead and come back here to the chart team and take a look at what we have going on. You guys can see my screen back in here, right? All right. Let's push this shit up. Let's see what's up. All right, AMC currently sitting at 538. This is going to be a measured move, you guys. Let's go ahead and pull this back into perspective. I want to know, and I want to identify what those targets could be. All right, you guys. So let's see what is up. Oh man, Guys, thank you so much for coming on by. Really appreciate you here, man. Yeah, we definitely have a lot of the Tits gang up in the chat right now, man. Love you guys so much. Please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive, my bro. All right, so AMC measured move, back at it, right? Here we go. So this is a bull flag, 10-minute time frame, right? Let's go ahead and pull this right back down to that area there. That's how you get your measured move. Take a trend line like that, right? Your measured move here, immediate short, is going to be $5, right? Sorry, and 62 cents. Now let's start marking off what that even means. Why would we even reach there? Okay, let's see. Let's pull this into a larger time frame, maybe into the 4-hour time frame, and see if we have any confluence there with topside targets. In fact, we do. We really do. All right, so let's go ahead and mark off the range now and see what we have. What kind of business do we have up there? All right. So yeah, very confluent bottoms here and tops with this wick. So let's go ahead and mark that off. I do have a range for us to observe, and I'm going to give you the probabilities for that upside as well. All right, you guys, let me go ahead and do that right now. Hold on just a moment. Here we go. Looking good, man. Looking good. All right, so now I am potentially looking at a range and a top side of 562 to 587. So AMC, those are your targets there. And let me validate that upside. Awesome. Okay, 4-hour time frame. We still have about an hour and 46 minutes to close this candle. So we're looking good, right? What I'm trying to say here is that we're already crossing above the SMA 14. We're reaching an area called the gravitational zone, right? So you guys got to know the zones inside of this RSI, right? This is your bullish control zone. This is your bearish control zone. Inside of every range is a gravitational zone. Just like this. I'm not going to do it all the way, guys, but I'm just going to give you a quick little tip here, right? Just so you can identify what that zone could be for yourself. All right, just like this. Hold up. Almost there. Like that. Okay, so just imagine all of these zones just kind of marked off like this. Every junction, the split here at the 50, the split here at the 60, the 70%, every single one has a gravitational point. 2% up, 2% down. Now, notice where price action, aka the signal line from the momentum, RSI, is leading towards. As soon as we start getting ourselves into that range, that means that price action is going to get sucked. It's going to get pulled right to the upside during that phase. So if we are on a 4-hour chart and we're noticing here that we're getting very close to that gravitational zone, that means that we still have 1 hour and 45 minutes to complete this move for an upside continuation into the range that we just spoke of, which is otherwise known as, here he goes, 562 to 587. Mind your 50%, right? Your 50% would be right around the 575 area. Okay? Now, I'm just like always, guys, for your screenshots, just like always, I'm going to go ahead and provide your targets right here. So guys, what I'm doing right now is usually what we do in the Arca Bulls trading team day in and day out. This is what we do. We provide the targets for each other. We support each other. And then in the interim, we'll go ahead and trade whatever else we can that has an edge, and we'll make our cash there. All right, you guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Keep it fucking moving, you guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. Right now, GME is, I'm being told right here by my team that it's at around 27.35. So let's go back there. And now AMC, right? This is usually what happens, right? You have your, sorry guys, you have your first, I'm giving it to you first, right? Because usually you guys say, man, come on, Arca, give me the targets for AMC. Give me the targets, right? Okay, so now you know, right? Now you know you got the upside targets here. Mark them off. The pullback is still relative, okay? Just in case price action pulls back, 526 would be your support. If I'm going to give you a range on this, let me do it right now, just in case, right? Might as well just provide that range for the team here, because I don't want you guys to get trapped, right? So it would be 515 to 526. And let me just go ahead and provide that right down here as well for your convenience, all right? So here you go, team. That is what I'm presently observing. Watch out, all right? Make sure to watch out. Do not just make rash decisions here, because your freaking ass can be in the line and you could absolutely lose a ton of money, okay? Please be careful. Miguel Martinez saying European market cut rate last week. First time since 2019, USA economy market. Are they going to cut rates here tomorrow? Brother, I don't know, and I really don't think so, man. But if they do, holy my goodness, bro, that would I don't know, man. That would probably, make the markets rip to the freaking moon, bro. But dude, I don't think we're in any condition here to do something like that. My bro, Sebastian Lim, telling us to take a look at ticker symbol Wolf because the thing is ripping. Oh my goodness, bro. It is absolutely ripping, right? Ticker symbol WULF is about to break. It actually just broke a 3-day range right now, and this does have massive, massive upside targets. Guys, please remember here that the initial entry for Wolf from the Arca Bulls team was at $2.59. We are now at $3.38, and I'm expecting targets above $4 incoming soon. Let's go ahead and freaking make this thing happen, guys. I absolutely love it. Hourly time frame, huge expansion, huge upside on stochastics. It feels like it's moving with GME and AMC, bro. Man, this is incredible. Guys, buy hourly time frame upside pivot with expansion, 3-hour time frame upside with expansion, 4-hour time frame about to get that read. Guys, this is very likely going to continue on to the upside. Heads up on the 4-hour close. There could be a 50% pullback to $3.26. Find your entry long. Get long this stock, right? Break that previous high, 338, and you're on your way to the movies, man. So let's go ahead and now come back to GME and observe the targets, and we should be good to go for these upside targets. Remember, 28.23 to 30.27 is what I'm observing. Always mind your 50%. Always mind that 50%. Sebastian Lim, I love you, buddy. Thank you so much for all of your help, dude. I love you. I love you so much, my bro. So let me mark off that center target here and see what's up. Guys, you know what? I'm not man, I know there's a lot of talk of that FFIE ticker, right? I'm not the biggest fan of it. I do think that it presents a real danger, right? Because at any moment that thing could really sell off. That one is really, truly a micro cap, man. That could really hand you your ass, man. Big time, big time, big time. Gotta be very careful. Gotta be very careful with that ticker. And you know what? I have this huge concentration of people that have been trying to trade it. Of course, guys, within the Arca Bulls trading team, my analyst, my buddy Options, was able to call out that play from 5 cents. And guess where the Arca Bulls team rode that thing, guys? Through our analysis, we rode that thing from 5 cents to $4 freaking dollars, man. Let's go. And that literally was an 8,000% squeeze. And then guess what? We rode it from $4 to $2 on positions with long puts and short. Guys, remember, I know that a lot of you don't know who I am, but please remember, my name is Arca with the Arca Bulls brand. I want to make sure that you know that I am a short bias trader. I am not short bias on GME, and I'm not short bias on AMC, right? But I am an OG. I've been here since the beginning from AMC, man, and GME. So please remember that I am here to support the longs because I don't like what the capital markets have done towards the little guys, right? I'm not cool with that. So I will express my opinion here as much as I can and specifically give you the short plays. All right, you guys. So remember, I want to remind you this, right? Yesterday we were just going over the potential bear play here. For some reason, I was telling you yesterday that these are our upside targets. I had already pointed out $28 to $30 yesterday when we closed over here at around $24. A massive upside, yes, but I need to point it out nonetheless, okay? I don't want this to become a bull trap. Why? Because we are still, man, guys, we are still riding a bear play, okay? Fuck, please be careful, man. Come on, let me go ahead and give this to you right now. I don't want any of you to get trapped, so I need you to be very, very wary, okay? Kind of like when you're walking through a forest or something, right? You're trying to watch out. You got to watch out because if you don't, you may get trapped. Okay, you guys? So I'm not saying that this is not going to continue to the upside. I'm telling you that you're currently in a bear's play. Why is that? This is an ascending broadening wedge. You're facing a perfect bottom here. 2 tests to validate your formation. Now, golden rule of 3 is what you're playing on top. You have the 1, 2, 3 tests of resistance with a fake out number 4. That is typical for this formation. I've played this formation more than 100 times over the last 2 years, guys. I have them all cataloged and I have all pictures of them. I'm trying to create a freaking poster set out of them with my signatures at the bottom right because they're so awesome. These things tend to realize with an 85% probability. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful, okay? It doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that it's gonna happen. It just means that it has a high batting average, and we just have to be real careful about how that happens, all right? Next, let's go ahead and just take a look at this. Fourth test, fake out. This is your breakout point, and now notice that price action hasn't come back, right? Let me get rid of the drawings. You see all this like little wiggle here? All that is telling us that we haven't come back to test the break of this regression. So that means that price action typically comes up to test these three areas as a zone of that regression, which would be, again, 28.23 to 30.27 in order for us to validate a bear play. That would be the bear entry. But we now know that Ryan Cohen provided us with a very important catalyst. That doesn't mean that the bear play is on. That means that the bear play may get invalidated, okay? So this is saying that this formation may actually reach one of the outliers of invalidation. So it is, because it has an 85% strike rate, this would be an outlier, man. This would really just, it would just take it out. Now, price action is sitting at a massive what? 27.91. The high that we just reached was what? 28.14, and we're resisting right off of that top, and this was my target here, located at 28.23. Guys, we are able to give these targets out every single day. Make sure to join the Arca Bulls trading team immediately. Join me in here, and let's make sure this thing continues to happen, right, team? I love you all. Thank you so much for coming on out, and I just realized here that that logo shit is all over my freaking, all over the freaking, that scan thing, right? Sorry about that, guys. But if you are curious over the Lifeline team, make sure to hit this link above, right? Make sure to hit that link so that you could join the Arca Bulls trading team right now. Come on by and let's make sure to get these targets together every single day of the week, every month, every single hour, every minute. Let's go, you guys. Thank you so much, everybody, for stopping on by. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive, of course, you guys. Now, we just touched on the target, guys. Here you go. This is the OHLC. That's called your open high, low close valuations on price. Check it out. I'm going to hover over the candle. My target is 28.23. We just resisted from 28.26. Perfect, 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 perfect. I absolutely love to see it, you guys. Definitely love to see it. Now, Otis is telling me bearish divergence, QQQ, 5 minute. I would agree, brother. I think we did. Heads up though, right? Because there could be a few things to carry the market to the upside, like Microsoft. All right, but if we are getting an upside in the market? God, goodness gracious, man. Okay, the SPY is now breaking above its pre-market high, so that means that everything is getting a support towards an upside. GME may not actually slow down here, team. Yes, I get it. We nailed that target, and now it's pulling back kind of hard from it. I get it. It doesn't mean that it's over. It just means we fucking nailed our first target pretty dead on, right? Good job. Good job to everybody. It doesn't mean that it's over, though. It just means we nailed it. That's the first one of 3 targets that we're trying to get. All right, you guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the continuation right now. Guys, I will say that the SPY... Is it for real? That the SPY might not be done? Man, I don't know. Guys, don't act on that just yet. Let's get a sip of water here. I'm not saying that the price action is done on the SPY. I'm saying that it's Apple carrying a lot of it. Apple right now is creating an upside again. It's recovering, but I'm not sure if it's done. Remember, all of the FUD just came out. So Apple is really to thank for all of this upside that we're getting on these tickers. Aside from Ryan Cohen giving us that news that he is now in the free, right? He's now in the free, and of course, but who was watching price? Who was watching price on AMC earlier? Because it was actually AMC that started running first. It was really AMC that started running first. Guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Damn. Guys, if you were able to catch this move, man, congratulations to you. It is still ripping towards the upside. Damn, dude. From the moment of entry here, right, We signaled this at 259. Let's go in. It's currently 32% up, and it's moving and moving and moving. Guys, please be careful on this ticker. I know it's getting frothy. I love the targets. I love that we're going there. I do see still an upside bound of about $4 on that. AMC is currently slowing down right now. Let's find out why. This is your 30-minute closure coming up. Look at this, 2 minutes and 58 seconds. The 30-minute time frame will close. What does that mean? That you'll probably get a little bit of a pullback. Remember, every single time you get those closures on on these candles, you will be experiencing a little bit of a pullback, right? So let's go ahead and observe that now. This is that zone, and I want this. I want this at 538 if it's going to pull back. And if it's sitting in this area already, let's just say, for example, this in the next 2 minutes turns red and it goes all the way down to here to that 529. We have a little bit of a problem, right? Even right now, we have a little bit of a tweezer top. So what does that mean overall? Let's start to look around to see if we can get a little more creative with the closures that we're currently experiencing, all right? So 4-hour time frame, an hour away, an hour and 32. Okay, nothing yet. Aside from that, 15-minute closure, long wicks to the upside. Wait for it. Yep. I do think that this can actually pull back a little bit harder than we think, and that would be, guys. You know what? I think it's going to be part of your hourly time frame pullback, but it may be a little bit deeper. Okay, we're right at that point right now. I'm trying to read it for you. I want to make sure that we can catch the targets as accurately as we can. Hold up. Okay. In 31 minutes, I'm going to know how this is pivoted. It's still pivoted towards the upside. Let me see the 30-minute. Okay, in 1 minute, I'm going to know that the 30-minute will pivot towards the downside or not. I need to make sure, in order for us to validate a continuation to the upside, this is what's necessary. We need continuation of expansion. This is your disbursement of returns, right? Transactions, the frequency, the rate of frequency, the rate of a transaction, sorry. So we need to make sure that this continues upward. It gets tight. And this also needs to continue to pivot towards the upside. Remember, volatility is direction neutral. Your direction, your momentum is going to give you the bias for that direction. Make sure to keep an eye on this, right? So we're about to find out. 45 seconds left to close the 30-minute candle. We need to make sure that we can continue on the pivot towards the upside. If this does show the downside pivot here, if it starts curving, that means, we're going to experience a 30-minute pullback, and that 30-minute pullback can be figured out by using your average true range. The current time frame is experiencing about a 12-cent average true range, so that means that the open of the next candle, we could observe an 11-cent drop, right? So that could be down to the areas of what we just said them, 526 to 528, and we didn't even know that we were going to get this pullback, right? Nice. So now the crypto link is saying Jackie will come later. Already talked about you, buddy. We already brought the team over to him too, right? We donated a little bit too. But I get you, dude. I get you. I love that he continues to support the Argo Bulls trading team. We'll continue to support him as well, buddy. I think he has a lot to offer, and he's very, very kind dude. And he's also a very talented trader, okay, you guys? So make sure to pay close attention over how some tools could be used, right? Like the RSI, like volatility, like fibs, right? All kinds of stuff. We just need to use them the right way, and we'll be able to catch an edge over the markets like nobody's business. We are not perfect traders, right? We are not going to bang it out every single freaking trade. But if we maintain our losses small, if we're able to catalog our losses small, right, then we'll be able to make sure to hold for the bigger runs, and then make sure that our wins are even bigger and bigger and bigger, right? Let's grow these portfolios together, guys. Now, Awesome is saying, are we clear? Let's see, as we buy, okay, if we're buying back yet, no, hold off, right? We are now getting that curvature here at the close of the 30-minute time frame. We wanted this to continue with a pivot here towards the upside, and we're not getting that upside just yet. So now we have to worry about a potential shift in price action. I'm thinking here that there could be a pullback. First of all, we're already near that pullback at 538. It's already reaching it right now and bouncing from it. We already said that was going to be the higher probability, right? It's literally bouncing off the 538. What's the low on this? Yep. Look at here on the L if you can see that close. 538. It's bouncing and bouncing and bouncing off the 538. Why? Because that is the 50% of the prior bar. That's usually how it happens. But if we continue pressuring that, if we break the 538, then maybe we're going to get a downside to this area here on a 30-minute time frame ATR. That would be breaking the 50% trend. Then it would mean that we would get the pullback to 528.25. It's not a proven fact. It is just natural price action, just the way that it works. This is why we put that probability there. This is why we put this probability there, and we get ourselves ready for the long opportunity, right? That is just the way it happens, and that is just the way we make this thing fly and we make it dance. Now, the next move, if we got that 538 pullback, just like we said, we get that bounce to the upside. The next zone to break is 547 in order for us to reach the next upper bound targets, right? That's just how it works. Let's go ahead and take a look at GME and see how it's doing. Okay, GME is still guys, I'm telling you, it's not over. Yes, we nailed the freaking target. I get it. We nailed it, right? It's there, but we want to make sure that we can still reach these upper bound targets here. This was my minimum target here because there is a critical resistance there, okay? There is a critical resistance there. Lots of rhyming with these wick lows, right? Opening of the candle here, closing of the candle there, closing of the candle there, upper wick there. This upper wick here, lots of confluence, right? This is the way we should trade together, right? The way that we do it is that we observe the higher probability moves, and that we also observe the targets that have a lot of rhyming, and that is absolutely one of the ways that we can observe higher probability resistances and supports. That's just the way it's done, guys. There's really nothing too complicated about that, other than if you start to, get into systems building like myself and a few others here in the, right? Algorithmic systems is what I mean, high frequency trade systems. But it's all good. That doesn't have to be you. What I want you to know is that I got you, right? I got you here. We'll observe these targets. We'll get as close as we can to them. I will say that oftentimes your boy Arca Bulls misses them by a freaking penny, right? And I think I missed this one by a penny too. This one went up to 28.32. Yeah, guys. I actually 28.32. I got 28.23. Right, so we were dyslexic on that one, man. Now we're not missing it by one penny. Now we're dyslexic. I'm just kidding, you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at continuation here because we just got that 30-minute closure, right? Let's look at the 30-minute on this. Oh man, look at the profile on this, guys. This is what I wanted to show you on AMC. Look at the upside pivot on stochastics. Look at the contraction phase into expansion. We are continuing to expand with a very, very significant upside pivot. This posturing here is completely bullish. This is telling us that there is likely continuation to the upside. Okay, now, if there is a 30-minute pullback, where could it be? Let's identify that one more time, just so that you can remember what that repetition is, right? Here it goes. Top of the wick, bottom of the wick of the prior bar, and it's telling you that the 50% is located at $27.29. So mark that line there. $27.29 would be your 50% pullback on this bar, and there could be a bounce from this area and continuation. If it takes 30 minutes, that means that we're building a bull flag. If it is a bull flag, then the bull flag will be the reason why we reach the targets of 29.24 and then following 30.29. Remember the numbers that are whole. Remember the numbers that are usually in the, like saying, for example, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, those whole numbers, right? Once you get those resistances, once you hit those whole numbers, we got to be very careful. But there is a threshold. There is also a threshold within the whole numbers too. Now, where could that be? The threshold is located between the upper bounds of 27.90, say for a $30 target, right? 27.90, maybe 28. Into around 31.90 or 32. So right around there is that pocket of take profit, right? So when you break upside of a range like $30, you'll likely get a push to where? Look at where my targets are set already. I told you just right now 31.90-ish, right? So I already have it jotted down at 31.73 that we would get a pullback from this area to come back and validate $30. $30 is not the only support. Why? Because we spoke of the 28-ish, 29 area, right? So that's where our center target comes in at 29.27. There is a complete strategy built entirely all around every single move you're catching here on price. And here comes the price action dipping to our target. So this is the way. It's just that I trade, guys. I really just want to explore with you the potentials of price, right? Now, RoaringKitty's options in the spotlight. Will GameStop investors sell or exercise for more shares? Is the news that's coming out right now on Benzinga. Really interesting times here, man. That is absolutely enormous. Now you know that the mainstream media is absolutely looking out for that position close on all of those 127,000 in the money options contracts. Why don't we do this? Let's go ahead and refer over to the options flow. I'm going to switch the screens here, right? So, yeah, let me go ahead and pull that up now. Just a moment. We're gonna sign in here, and we're gonna look at the open interest and volume. All right, here we go. Almost there. Sign in, boy. Okay, let's do it. Let's flip over the screen here. Nice. So let's go ahead and type in GME. We're also going to take a look at the options flow for AMC as well. So let's see right now. Okay. Great. So let's go ahead and pop open here. Of course, we're looking at major options activity here on the 21st because that's where he's at. He's got 127,000 at the 21st expiry, June, $20 strike. Let's go ahead and open the what's called the matrix on this. We were just on term. Okay, so let's go over to those 20 strikes. Guys, the last time I saw this was at 141,000 open interest. It is now at 166,400 open interest. That is a huge number coming out of these options contracts here at the 20 strike. That is absolutely massive. Oh, man. So now Miguel is saying the last time AMC crossed 200 MA, it went for a squeeze, right? So now I appreciate the in-depth explanation you do on each stock and why you think it's going one way or the other. Absolutely, my brother. I have to make sure to provide for you the bear thesis and the bull thesis, and I also have to give you my personal bias within that direction. So I'm not that guy that's going to tell you, well, a stock is going to go up and then it's going to go down and then it's going to go up and then it's going to go down, right? Because anyone can do that. But I'm going to give you the upside, the downside, the targets for the upside and the downside, and I'm going to tell you which one is likely to happen too, right? So know that you'll have that transparency here with the Arca Bulls trading team. I got you. All right. Now, please remember that all of the analysis that you're getting here with me, these are things that we're catching live every single day inside of the trading room. We're observing it. We're disciplined as fuck. We're consistent, right? So let's go ahead and now continue on the analysis here because I would like to take a look at some further options expiries here and see what we have. Now, if you're wondering, guys, I'm sorry. I know I got a bunch of questions here regarding this software for Quick, right, guys? The CEO of Quick came up to the Arca Bulls trading team, right, to the analysts and they gave us access to this software, right? It's a real-time software, right? We're getting the price differences, we're getting the open interest volume, all of that as we move in the day. This is the CEO for the software called Quick Strike. He has been providing the options, and actually everything, man. The options information for the NYSE, I think, for 20 plus years now. So we are completely blessed to have this man come up very humbly, right? Very humbling, right? Come up to the Arca Bulls trading team and give us access to this so that we could provide this stuff to our retail community and also to the Arca Bulls trading team on a daily basis. Guys, this is absolutely awesome that we have the support that we're getting thus far. Make sure to join the team right away. Make sure to come on by, and we'll be able to share these tools with you as well. All right, guys, so now let's go ahead and see any other concentrated zones that we should be looking at, right? Okay, the June 21st 30 expiries, I'm sorry, the 30 strikes from the June 21st expiries, these are coming in at around 46,200 open interest. Nice. Let's take a look at more open interest here. All right, so 38,400 at the 40 strike. We already noticed that was popping up a few days ago too. The 50 strike for the same expiry, June 21st, is 35,300. For those of you who don't know, I'm just going to give you the very, very bare bones of what an option, what an options is. A call option, right? A long call option means that you're betting towards the upside. Your long puts are betting towards the downside. Okay? So that's what it means. This is your call area. This is your put area for every single zone. And this is your expiry right up here. All right? This is your strike. Now, the reason why you have colors that are more, concentrated in green is just telling you that that's the areas, those are the areas where price action is more concentrated or where the open interest is more concentrated, right? Now, check these out. For June 14th, 75,000 at 128. And we also have some calls for the June 21st at 125 strikes, landing at 41,795 of the open interest. I'm just saying here that the overall bias is bullish for GME. Okay, now let's pull up AMC and take a look at what that's feeling like, okay? And also, damn, I need to turn on the air a little bit stronger here because, woo, it is getting a little ridiculous up in here, man. Okay, here we go. So let's take a look at AMC now and pop open the options flow and see how that's doing. Guys, no worries. GME is still sitting at 27.61. It's still performing the 30-minute 50% retrace, right? It's all good. We're still there. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the term instead of the matrix first, right? So here we go. A high concentration, just like we noticed before, within the 20 strikes of the June 21st expiries on AMC. So this is giving a similar read on those June 21st, the June 21st, the same strike. Very interesting, except the numbers here are really concentrated. So now that we know that, let's go ahead and take a look at the matrix here and turn on the heat map and go over towards that strike. $20 strike. Check it out, man. 97,263. That is your open interest right now for the 20 strikes on June 21st expiries. Now, if we move over to the side, you're going to catch some similar large numbers there as well. But these are dating all the way to 2026. So people are bullish this all the way down there. Check this out. January 2025, you are catching this number here and this number at the 27 and the 20 strikes. 70,200 and 41,174. Guys, let me just flip over here on the screen so you can see exactly what's happening. Take a look at it. Take a look at it for yourself. Right? Little by little, we're just coming down to the targets that we're calling out, right? I just want you to see how that happens. There's your bottom side. We're talking about a 27.29. If it fails the 27.29, the likely area to pull back would be right in here at 26.88. But what do you know? Look at that bounce right off of there. If that's not reason enough, if that is not reason enough for you to join the Argo Bulls trading team, I don't know, man. I can give you these targets. The team can give you these targets. My master students can give you these targets, and they also do. So, guys, let's go ahead and just refer back here to AMC and take a look at that open interest continuation, right? So, yeah, very nice. We have numbers leading up to 90,000 plus on call options. Now, for the more immediate short term, it looks like we do have some in the monies too, right? We're sitting at 40,000, almost 41,000 at the 4. Oh my goodness, guys. $4 strikes. These are the puts, right? Oh, no, guys, I'm sorry about that. Guys, why are you betting on the fucking puts? I'm going to kick you in the ass. All right, let's do this. An immediate short. Oh, I'm sorry. This is it. Here we go. Had to scooch to the left. Now we can do it. So we have a 50,000 concentrated area here, right, on the calls for a $10 strike. Is it going to actually happen, man? Can we really reach $10 by the 21st? Let's go ahead and start a poll. I want to know. let's bring this back to the chat. And I'm going to start a poll right here. I want you to submit your vote, okay? Let's see. Will AMC reach $10 by the 21st of June? All right, so that is the question. Let's go ahead and start it off right now. Let me know what it is. Please submit your votes right now. Make sure to vote that up. I want to know what your opinion is. Gotta refresh this page. Oh, Jackie Latits, my bro. We got the Tits Gang, bro. Let's go. We got the Tits Gang in the chat, my bro. What you doing all the way over there, man? I'm about to put you behind the fucking mic over here so you can say hi to the people. All right? Good to see you, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for coming on by. Thank you for doing your damn thing right here, guys. Really appreciate you, man. Gotta make sure to support all the traders out there, everyone who's doing all this hard work for us, right?
Well, Pepper calls on game right now, baby.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much coming on by with the whole gang up in here, man. Yeah. Jackie Latits, you're insane, fool. I love you. Bro, you got to hit me up, man. Hit me up and we'll, you know what? We'll probably do something small. Not anything like this, right? Maybe something like, I don't know. What if we did a Twitter Spaces, right? What? One of those Twitter X Spaces. We'll get you speaking.
All right, well, I don't want to talk about it. I want to make some money.
Right? Let's do it, my bro. Come on by, man. Come on by.
Hey,
and let's get the fans together, buddy. But really appreciate. Oh, dude, congratulations on breaking, I think, 15K on your followers, on your subscribers. Guys, make sure to give the Tits Gang and Jackie Latits a massive round of applause for breaking the 15K mark on his subscribers. I got to tell you, man, that is absolutely admirable. You keep that shit up, buddy. You keep that shit up. Eddie's saying here from the Jackie Latits Gang, man. Look at you, buddy. Thank you guys so much. Really appreciate you for what you're doing. Let's make sure to get this thing to the moon, bro. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for coming on by. Really love it, really love it, really love it. So, guys, we were able to identify that bottom side support here for GME, and we haven't looked back just yet. How did we do that? Again, what did we do to identify that bottom side? Well, guys, it was just simple. It was really a simple damn.
Going back up again, bro.
Guys, that's insane, man. Popping in from Jackie's stream, guys.
Yeah,
what are you guys doing, man? How am I ever going to get back on you like this one, Jackie? I love you, buddy.
Going up.
How can I ever do this for you, bro?
You got to sell it now.
Wait for me, buddy. Just wait for me, all right? OG, live mic, buddy. Just wait, dude, wait for me. I'll be able to get the traffic that you're getting, right? Just a little bit of time, and I'll come by and bombard you too, buddy. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your donos, man. I can't tell you how much I mean, guys, this is really the way that retailers should support each other, man. This is it. This is it. You're literally catching it in person right now, man. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Check out GME just burst out. Guys, it just is bursting right now into the 28-23 level, right? We're catching the upside right now. Let's fucking go. It's actually happening, guys. So if you were able to catch entry right at this zone where we were speaking of 27-29, then congratulations to you. You are now in the money and you're continuing your upside right now. Good job, you guys. Very good job. I'm super stoked if you were able to catch that entry here with the Argo Bulls team. Let's make sure to show the love, right, you guys? Share the love to the influencers. Give that love to the guys. Look at this, man. Coming in from Latits right here. Zach, buddy, thank you so much, man. It's going to go straight to one of our members, buddy. Thank you so much, dude. Really appreciate you. Joseph Wood. Guys, we're really going to have to come back here, man, for Jackie. We're really going to have to show Jackie that support too, guys. That really means a lot, guys. That's incredible, man. I'm speechless, bro. Like, you guys just came over here and bombarded us. That is absolutely amazing, man. And also remember, guys, please make sure to subscribe to Jackie's channel, right? I don't know. I literally don't know what to do for my boy, right? Other than extend my deepest gratitude and making sure that he just comes back again and we can express, right? I can I just broke 10,000 subscribers myself, right? So I can go ahead and give them those, right? It is. Let's just make sure to support the influencers, support the cause, and support the continuation here for Retail Strength, right? I absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much for coming on by. Mark Rose just saying, Jackie Arca 2024. Scruffy saying, I think that worked. Bro, dude, what do you mean that worked, man? Of course, this is not the first time that Jackie has done this. Well, the first time that you guys all started going insane on me, that's awesome, bro. But no. Jackie has been here before. I think another 3 times, maybe? I think 2 or 3 times, or maybe even. Jackie La Arca Tits, says John. What the heck is going on? You guys, you know what? I have heard Jackie's music, so yes, if you guys are already creating the fucking remix, that's another idea. Hey, for Jackie, for the family here, for Jackie La Tits, this is an idea for Jackie, right? We're gonna have to create. Tell him that I'm a seasoned pro, right? Audio engineer, music composer, producer. I got TV credits, everything, right? We're gonna have to create the Arca and Jackie La Tits freaking remix track. Let's do it, bro. Go and find out what Jackie's DAW is, right? I want to know what he's working on. Is he working on Ableton, working on Pro Tools, whatever it is? Is it Logic, right? And we're going to have to create the freaking banger for GME and AMC between Arca and Jackie. Let it go. Go over there and spread the freaking news and let them know, bro. We're going to go ahead and make the remix. I'm just calling it right now, man. This guy's probably going to be stoked on that. Tell them any genre, right? Any type of genre, any feels. I got them. Guys, this is a bunch of fun, man. This is a bunch of fun. Thank you everybody for coming on by. Thank you everyone for showing your support to all the influencers, right, man? Of course, we still got Morant's Rants out there, man. We still got a bunch of others, right? Like who else, really? Who else is left? We have I know that we still have some of the old don't really, they don't really fuck with us too much, man. But it's all good. It's all good, right? We New York Angelo, right? I know he's still doing his thing over there, man. He's keeping it safe, right? He's keeping it safe. I don't know if actually Teddy Zane is actually doing this, but we're gonna have to go ahead and get in touch with Teddy Zane as well whenever he has a live stream, man. We're gonna have to just go everybody and bombard him too, man. So let's go ahead and get this thing to rip, right? I love you guys. Thank you so much for coming on by. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to squeeze that subscribe violated, right? So that we can get this thing to really finesse the algorithm, right? Let's finesse it, man. Let's get this thing to really bring in some attention here for the influencers. I absolutely love you, team. Thank you so much for coming on by once again. And let's observe and continue. Eddie G, I love you, buddy. Thank you so much for that dono, bro. That really means a lot, man. Oh, dude, Brandon is saying, tits gang, I'm out. Peace, Arca. Later, my bro, dude. Love you guys, man. Love you guys so much, man. I'm saying I'll be back and watch your videos long. Oh, my bro calling me a king. No, bro, you are the king in here, man. Thank you so much for coming on by. Really appreciate everybody for chilling here, man. So, guys, yeah, we're still bouncing off of this target here. Remember, the way that we were able to notify you, even in the first place, right, that we were gonna get this pullback was simply because of the 30-minute closure, guys. That's how we nailed that target. So if you were able to get it, did you scalp the upside or no? Right? I don't know if you did or whatever, but if you did, this 4% run on an options could have been a freaking 30% runner immediately. Oh my goodness, man. Come on. Let's fucking go. Here we go. AMC, where is it at? Now it's breaking into the targets of about $5.50. Damn, what? Yo, for real. AMC is actually doing it. Like, AMC is actually doing it. All right, guys. So here are the next targets. We broke through the 538 and 537 resistance. We got about I'd say a 40% pullback on that. We're about to close the 1 hour and 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Heads up, because you may be able to catch entry at around the 538 of the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio. If you catch that entry there, that may bounce you to the next resistance at the 0.786 at $5.63. So heads up, you guys. That may actually happen in here. Bro, I'm still not over it, bro. Jackie's insane, bro. That guy, that fool's funny, man. I love that guy. It's about time AMC wakes up. Dr. McLovin, bro. I hear you, man. I hear you. I know that it's been tough, bro. I know that it's been tough. It is what it is, though. You know what I mean? And we have to just ride the waves, man. It doesn't mean I know, I get it. A lot of people talk about diamond hands. A lot of people talk about do not sell or whatever. But at the end of the day, I want to make sure that you watch out for you, right? I want to make sure that you watch out for your family, right? Because a lot of the cash that we're putting in here, a lot of the cash that's being, just literally FOMO'd into the market is a lot of cash that belongs to the families, right? That belong to our kids. So we got to make sure to be careful and watch out for those nefarious crooks. We don't want to fall captive to the crooks, and we absolutely don't want to give back the gains that we've already gained, right? Do not give the institutions back the gains that you already have. So Miguel Martinez saying $5 calls for 920 are doing a cannonball in the money. You guys, I actually will, I will say, oh man, I will say, I haven't even checked my position. We're going to check it right now. Nice. All right, man. The position is doing good. We're doing okay, guys. We're doing okay. Let's continue the roll here, you guys. All right. So, let's see. Game Banger, my bro. Thank you so much, man. That really means a lot, dude. And I absolutely love that you have that wild card as your picture. So, guys, I want to go ahead and, yes, Mark Roach is reminding me about this. Guys, please remember, tomorrow, CPI. That's going to be a very, very, very critical read for the market. So let's just say this. Please notice that the SPY is actually showing some upside. It's showing some downside here, but it's breaking above that pre-market high, right? So it's showing that we may actually want to continue if we are pre-pricing. This usually happens into the Fed, right? This is typical behavior. We run the price into the Fed, and then right when the Fed speaks, they dump it out. Right? Because they like to mess around with the freaking price on the stock market the way they do, right? Yeah, that's right, man. Game Banger saying, the ARC Alliance is strong. Yes, bro. Hell yes. I love it. Jay Cruz saying, what was that RC News? So Ryan Cohen, bro. Yeah, it was the 4 counts of the lawsuit were all dismissed, man. And this thing just ripped to the freaking moon. There was no, I think it was under price manipulation. Oh my goodness, dude. Insider trading, I think. Oh man, it was all bad. So this guy getting out of that and price action still ripping to the upside, even though he has the 75,000 shares, that he just announced. That's insane. That's insane. This type of upside here, team, it was sort of foreseen just because this is the validation of resistance for the bears. But I got to say that it's just, in a parabolic run, that, who could have seen that, right? But let's go ahead and show you this too. This is a bull flag formation, 30-minute time frame. Let's measure it because I think that the upside target was just reached, and that's why we're resisting right now. So check it out. The upside target on this was actually 28.58, and we came up to about 28.33. Not bad. So it does still have a little bit of upside to go. Does it have that upside even yet? But let's go ahead and validate this. Remember, the hourly closure is one that we're looking out for, right? It just got it. So if we're going to get the hourly closure pullback, again, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at that pullback. Here it is. That's going to be $27.29 if you get the full-on pullback, all right? Let's see. Hold on. That's the big if, okay? Here we go. That's it right there. I'm going to adjust the target just ever so slightly here. There we go. $27.31 could be that pullback target. I'm not saying that it is. I'm just saying that sometimes there could be a little bit of a look above, right? A little looky-loo, and then this thing will just come back down, validate the 50% retrace, and then it'll rip to the upside. So be patient about this. Be patient about it, all right, team? We're currently experiencing resistance at the dollar that we have on this range of 28.23. All right, you guys, heads up. Please be very careful here. I don't want you to get trapped at all. Don't you tell me you got trapped. I'm going to literally lose my mind. All right. Let's see what's up. All right, you guys. So let's pull up volatility. Here we go. And momentum, right? This is your volatility. Let me get rid of all that stuff. This is your volatility read, and this is your momentum. We were waiting for the hourly close to see if we still have an upside pivot. Well, guess what? We absolutely still have that upside pivot right now. Now we're entering power hour with an upside probability. This is probably going to continue into the next hour, guys. This is pretty cool. All right. Now, I want to see what happened at the hourly closure for AMC. Let's see what's up. Okay. 50% pullback of the hourly bar would be right here. But remember, it's 44 to 50%, 538. It looks like we already reached 539. Not bad. Not bad whatsoever. All right. So if we're going to get this thing to continue to the upside, price must not fail this bottom zone, because then you're going to experience a 100% pullback. Can't have that happen. Cannot have that happen. All right, you guys. So if you get that pullback all the way back down here to $5.29, it's going to be right. There's going to be a further pullback. This is a fair value gap here that you're looking at. Right, that's in the space between $5.14 and this wick here of $5.29. You may get a bounce from that $5.29 because of the fair value gap, but sometimes these gaps are gonna. Sometimes psychology, guys, is gonna take over, and then you're gonna want to fill that gap, and then there could be an upside. So you gotta watch out with these trading rules, okay? So far, we noticed here that the 50% pullback would be 538. We've reached 539. It's not quite over just yet. Now let's take a look at volatility versus momentum to see if we were able to get that upside bias or maintain it. Oh, man, it's a little curvy, right? A little curvy. It's still with an upside bias, but yes, we are definitely going to have to make the decision here with price. Price will have to make the overall decision whether it's going to continue to the upside to salvage whatever pivot the hourly time frame has or not, right? So let's go to the 30-minute time frame to see how that looks. Okay, 30-minute time frame also has a little bit of a cascade here too. Let's go to the 15-minute. Right, the 15-minute is consolidating. That means, guys, that at least we're trying to find some type of floor. All of these wicks to the upside usually mean bears, right? This usually means that we could be experiencing a pullback. Got to be careful when something like that happens. All right, you guys got to be very careful when something like that happens. We got a few stragglers outside right here in the Discord. Let me go ahead and assign, yeah, guys, thank you for signing up. Let me go ahead and give you the access right now, right? Thank you, team. Thank you, team, for coming on by. Really, really love you. I love to have the new members in here, man. We'll express the knowledge, right? We'll support each other and make sure that we can grow into being better traders all together. Love it, you guys. Thank you so much for coming on by. And if you're still listening right now, now you can go ahead and chat. Go ahead. Nice, man. Oh, gee, selling those covered calls, man. Massive gain. I love it, buddy. I love it, man. Alex G, that's right, buddy. That's right. You say it out loud, man. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay. Yeah, you guys. So yeah, we're getting this decline right now. We're right at that brink of 538. What I said here is that we're consolidating within the 15-minute time frame. If we're going to continue consolidating here, guys, that's going to be the best thing to happen to price, because then we could validate a new floor. So if we're able to make our way up, validate a new floor without breaking below it or without failing it, then we'll be able to catch that upside continuation. The Body Shop, love you, buddy. Thank you so much for coming on by. I absolutely love it, man. All right, so now let's come on back here to GME and see how it's doing from the immediate short-term time frame as well. Damn it, look at that, you guys. We're pushing. It's about to break that upside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I want to see, man. That's what I want to see, bro. Here we go. Now let's catch the targets one more time. Remember, guys, we're at that resistance right now. Very cool. If we're going to get that top side, we got to break through that 2832 wall. Got to break to that, right? In order for us to get to that next target of $29.24, got to break that 2832. No exceptions, right? So Awesome is saying sell before the CPI report. Man, I don't know what to tell you, brother. I don't know what to tell you. To tell you the truth, a lot of people fear holding anything into CPI, right? So we got to be careful there. But what I can tell you is that if this thing has a mind of its own, it won't even matter, right? But what if this happens? What if he rate hikes? Right? What if he hikes? In that case, then there's going to be some serious pressure on price. So I need you guys to be very careful, right? Do as much as DD as you can, but remember, never fight the Fed. That's one thing that we can all agree on. Do not fight the Fed, right? Trader Dog saying that's a flat top. Completely agreed. So now waiting for Destiny saying waiting for AMC to break the 550 level. Right, so you're catching, my chart said 28.32 exact to the penny. Let's go, my bro. Nice, I love it. Yeah, guys, we gotta break that. We gotta break that resistance. It's all or nothing, man. It is all or nothing, right? So if we're gonna be able to catch this, what is it gonna take? Let's come on back here to the 15-minute time frame. We're getting a little bit of shift to the upside. I want to know what the next closure is gonna be. 10-minute or what? Yeah, the 10-minute closure is coming up in about 2 minutes. And it's actually breaking out. Let's go. It just broke out. Damn. It's going. Let's do it, bro. That's great stuff, man. All right. Let me come back to the hourly time frame and see what's up. Damn, that thing just literally blew through that 32. Let's go. Oh, my goodness, man. Oh, bro, let's go. 28.64 and climbing, my dude. I can't believe this is actually working out. Let's go, you guys. Congratulations to those, team. If you picked up your entry down here at 27.31, let's go, man. Let's do it. And for those of you who picked it up even lower, man, that is awesome. Okay, so now we're going towards our second target. I am not even afraid to put my alert right there, guys, because that is part of the plan. We already had it in plan to come up to these targets, right? Let's go. Now, look at the resistance that's happening right now, right? Look at that. You see how it's pulling back? You see how that's pulling back? Let me show you why. Remember the regression from the broadening wedge, right? That's currently where we're resisting from right now. Look at the trend, right? I'm gonna go ahead and dim this a bit. Hold up. Look at it. Oh, we're trying to break above it. Let's go. That's a new high yet again. Yes, 28.90 was just hit. The next target to observe, guys, is right up here. I have them listed here for you. I had you guys take the screenshots last night. So if you took the screenshots last night, share them on Twitter and X and say Arca Bulls. Let's go. Guys, we're about to catch those targets one by one. Oh, man, let's do it. That is what's up, you guys. That is what's up. Make sure to hit that like button. I want to see this thing reach 400 likes. I want to see the followers continue to grow in the Arca Bulls trading team. Hurry up. Make sure to get it done, you guys. I absolutely love you. Let's get these targets in. Mark Roach saying Tesla at 170. What the heck happened to Tesla? Oh, man. All right. Yeah, we're going to be able to catch our... Man, guys, I'm going to put out a video on this. I have this most serious bear play for Tesla, but I will put that out later. All right? I got a surprise there for you. Okay. Yeah, we got to not get closures. We can't get closures beneath the 536. That's on AMC, all right? That cannot happen. Okay. Did we get a new high on GME? Where are we? That's a 28.97. Holy crap. Yes, we did. Damn, I need to take a look at my position. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, we're going up, man. We're going up. There we go. There we go. Yes. All right, man. Yeah, that position is looking good. We're doing okay, man. Pleasant Fury, good to have you here, man. RB, what is up? Damn, dude. If we're going to be able to catch this upside, man, I'm going to be tripping. We're still in power hour. We got less than an hour, right? Around 50. It looks like we just have around 48 minutes left to close. And I think this is going to close with a massive beat. Damn it, dude. This is great. This is great news for retail, man. Absolutely good. Remember, team, you already have the screenshots, right? This was all part of the plan. This was all part of the plan yesterday, man. Not Ryan Cohen. I had no idea, but the charts were saying these targets anyway. All right? So now, Blessed is saying Arca and Jackie Rock, my bro. I love you, man. Thank you so much for coming on by. Pleasant Fury saying cheers to everyone. AMC is down right now. Let's go ahead and see how far down it is. All right, guys. Yes, remember, we said that if we would fail the 50%, then these are our targets here on a 30-minute retrace, right? We're using mathematics to identify the bond probabilities. 528 to 526 is the area that we were observing on a 30-minute pullback. So it's already happening, you guys, right? I don't know that it's bearish. I just know that it's pulling back, right? Because that's kind of like what happened here. Take a look at this, right? We were riding. You see me rolling, right? And this thing just came down, went up, right? And now it's doing that same thing. It's coming down, and maybe we go up, right? Schwab is still down for some of you guys. Guys, just try. I heard from one of my analysts that he just tried over and over to log in. He hit that freaking button a bunch of times, and then he was chilling. Try it. Oh my goodness, man. We're getting the Tits Gang and Narca stronger together. Let's go. Oh, so Otis Whitley, yeah, you mean that it could be a bearish divergence. Coin Fox, my bro. Dude, I love you so much, man. Long Arca Bulls, great call out on GME last night. Targets hit, kill confirmed. My bro, I absolutely love you, man. Thank you so much, dude. Let me take a look at that GME. Bro, come on, man. I know, dude. I really appreciate you for calling that out, man. Well, for calling that I called it out. I love you, dude. Thank you so much, dude. We just hit that 29. We just hit the 29, did we? 29.08. It just hit it. Dude, this thing is actually trying to get it. Next target is about to go. Here's the chirp. Where that chirp at? Where's the freaking chirp? Hit it, boy. Oh my goodness, man. Yeah, that's what I'm hearing. To log out and log back in. And then if you need to, do it freaking 38 times, man. And get your ass in there. Let's go. Damn, this thing just broke above 29, man. Oh my goodness, man. I can't believe this thing is going to do it, bro. Let's go. This is absolutely amazing, man. Congratulations to all of you who were able to pick up those long positions here on the ARCA targets, right, man? We're meeting them to the upside. We're catching every single one, right? We're taking literally no prisoners on the way up. Let's go. Jay Cruz, what is up, bro? Good to see you up in here, man. Good to see you up in here. This is absolutely amazing, guys. I definitely love what is happening right now. Please remember, guys, that this offer is not going to be open forever. Make sure to join the Arca Bulls trading team. Hit that link. Come by and trade with us. Make sure to trade the institutional way. I am a short bias trader. I can show you the short thesis, right? I am not shorting GME or AMC. I'm not shorting those assets whatsoever, but I can show you what a short play looks like and where I would take position short, because these are the targets that I would have shorted you at, right? But I'm not doing that. I'm here long with you. These are the targets that I would have shorted your ass on if you didn't hear me speak. But guess what? The Arca Bulls trading team is putting it up for you. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to subscribe to the Arca Bulls trading team immediately. Guys, I think that I am down now to around 6 or 7 seats in the Arca Masters course. Got to reach out to me if you want to claim that seat. We had just yesterday around 8 or 9. Now it's down to maybe 6 or 7. I got to get that final count. Arca Masters course at gmail.com. Reach out to me immediately if you want to get into the beginners trading course, right? It's a 5-week mentorship program for beginners. So Arca Masters course at gmail.com. Reach out to me right away if you want to make a change in your trading career, guys. Let's go ahead and get this done, man. Let's see. Yeah, African, I bet I could help you, buddy. You reach out to me. Buddy. All right? So, here we go. Let me go ahead and take a look at the AMC targets here. All right, we're still on the way. Right? We were waiting for this bottom side here, guys. How did I know this was going to happen? Because I told you the little tiny secrets. Right? So the bear play. I'm going to give, yes, CGA for beginners. And I also have the continuation one for strategies mentorship. That's going to be for my knowledgeable traders, right? For my graduates, which by the way, there's already about 160 master student graduates for the Arca Bulls trading team, which is absolutely amazing. A lot of them are trading with me and the rest of the team in the Arca Bulls trading floor, in the Discord in private, right? Matt Tits Gang, it is, buddy. Of course, man. So make sure to reach out to me if you want to secure a seat, one of the last seats for the beginners trading course, right? I do have the more advanced one for strategies mentorship. That's going to be 8 to 12 weeks. So please go ahead and get in touch with me. Send me the email here, and I'll make sure to send you all of the details, and we'll get your trading career started, man. We'll make sure that you can observe the markets the right way. Spike TV, Arca, save me a spot. I have it here in my mind, buddy. Make sure to send me that email, and I'll reserve it, okay? Hurry up. Take it. Take it right now because somebody else is going to take it. Bro, J. Cruz saying, what up, Arca? Let's fucking go, man. You're amazing, dude. Love you. Dude, bro, come on, man. You love this live stream. I fucking love you that you're coming up and saying that, bro. Come on, man. That's absolutely amazing, buddy. Really appreciate you. Hopefully close above 64 end of day, saying classy game racer, dude. If we're going to catch that upside, dude, oh my goodness, guys. Look at how close we've gotten to the target already. That was a high of 29.16. We're still waiting for the 29.26, but is it already what? Are we experiencing 30 minutes to close or what? No. We're at, no. We're at 319 right now. No, it's not even there. Oh my goodness, man. All right, let me go ahead and check on the SPY, see if it's pulling. Well, there it is. Right? Check it out. The hourly time frame on the SPY is currently pulling back. Why is it pulling back? Because of its freaking hourly 50% retrace. Remember that, guys. That's just how it goes. Hold up. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to provide you here with the target for the SPY, and this is why GME is actually facing this pressure. The broader markets are. Did Apple give it out too? Apple hasn't given it out yet. Okay, all right, cool. So yeah, let me get you the SPY target. Here it goes. So if you need to know where the SPY is going, we do, right? We do, because this thing is when it shows a lot of pressure, then yeah, it's gonna bring everything under the sun down. Here we go. 535.80 would be the bottom zone here for SPY. If it fails that, right? Then yeah, we're gonna see a push back down to the areas of about 535.22. But judging by momentum, let's see. Yeah, oh man, judging by momentum, there could be a little bit of pressure here. If there is a further downside, I gotta give you the range. I have to give it to you as a range because this thing is kind of strong. It would be 535.80. Let me list a range down here for you to about 535.43, and your 50% would be 535.62. So heads up at the top target here first at 535.80, all right? Heads up on that. Okay. Let's see what's up. Let me see if it's continuing to the downside, just like we're observing here. Yeah, it is. Guys, they're completely correlated. All right. And now AMC, okay, damn, it's surpassing our bottom side target, but it's getting a bounce. Why? There is a gap right in here. That's your fair value. Okay, if it is going to continue beyond the fair value, fuck. You guys are getting shorted. Stop it. Let's see. Where is a good GME? Yeah, for the pullback? Yeah, let's go ahead and figure it out. Okay. So this is one of the zones here. Yeah, guys, this is a massive take profit. People are taking profit at that 30 level, just like always, right? We spoke about the 28 to 31-ish level right up here. Usually people tend to take profit within that round number there. We just got that bounce from that same support at 27.31. If there is a continuation to the downside, wait up on that. Wait up for it. Because let me see. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I think I can give it to you. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to give you the targets right now for that pullback. Hold up. Okay. Yeah, could it be? It may be around there. In the 6 area. Let me give it to you. So this is the top range, 29.18 to the bottom side of about 24.25. Yeah, it would be right about here. So it is a range, 26.59 to 26.07. Hold on. All right. Now, let me see a couple of things here. Okay, guys, what I'm going to warn you about is the play that we were just talking about before. Okay, yes, I just gave you one of those targets. I know, I get it. This is the earliest target, but I'm going to give you more. Okay, 26.09 to 26.61 is one of them. But hold on. Okay, because there's still that, that crazy ass play that's happening. I got to make sure that you guys understand what's really happening too. Okay? So we spoke about this. Okay? We knew that we were going to get a pullback in one of these zones here. Right? So, let me pull this back to the hourly and have you identify the broadening wedge, right? So this is naturally a bearish formation. The take profit for this bearish formation is usually located at the genesis. That's really, really, really low at 1776. But remember that wasn't the entire thesis. The entire thesis is that I think that we're creating some type of a bear trap, right? So if the bear trap happens, I think that you get another big bounce from the zone of around $23, maybe down into the areas of around $20. Okay, because from $20, this was really the bottom base before we got a massive run to $47, right? So just kind of keep that in mind here. I do think that price action may be behaving in a little bit of a bearish manner because of this formation. So if it is remember, we said yesterday that we were likely to come up to these prices here, to validate resistance of that broadening wedge regression, which we're doing, right? And then this would pull back into the area of about $23 before a bounce into the 25.46. Okay, so hold up. That doesn't mean that it's happening. I'm just telling you how the bear play works. Okay, I want you to know how the bear play works, or else, we're gonna get stuck. Right? So, if that really is the case here, team, I need you to be very careful over how we play it from here on. Hourly time frame still has a very nice upside pivot, but it's over in 34 minutes. Anything can happen there. So that means that during this hourly trade, if this candle really just goes into red, then the stochastic momentum indicator will start showing a little bit of a curved bias. So let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame now. Okay, the 30-minute time frame, this is a good time. We need to observe the closure in 3 minutes and 57 seconds and counting. We need to observe this. This is going to tell us how far of a downside pivot or downside posture we have. Let's see. So let's see. K-Spec is saying big dark pool order on GME in the past 5 minutes. Yeah, man, I completely. What's up, Button? Good to see you here. Is that Doji candle half of its wick? Button, I forgot what time frame that was in, buddy. Can you let me know which time frame you're looking at, and I'll assist it through it. Kai Supreme, what is up? And yeah. I'll make sure to look at it for you. So Button is saying that GME usually takes off to the moon after it drops like that. Let's see. Randy Davis, is this how you do your channel daily? I love the flying. I subscribed. I would watch daily if I could. Randy, thank you so much, my bro. So the streams are actually done. Let me see. Yeah, the streams are actually done in private in the Discord. Yeah, the streams are usually done on the Discord, and it was just we trade it like that live, buddy. So in order for you to join the trading team, this is one of the ways here, right? Make sure to hit those links, and you'll get access to the Discord, and you'll get access to the traders. So another thing that you could do is if you're looking to learn how to trade, then take up one of the beginners courses that I have, right? That's about to the enrollment is about to expire, buddy. I'm reaching capacity there. The ArcMasters course at gmail.com is what you want to reach in case you want to learn the basics of charting and trading. I have a 5-week mentorship program happening right here, buddy. This is the email. So reach out to me on that area there. So let's see. It's not going any higher today. The only time frame where I can see that there could be a potential continuation towards the upside, I would say it would be, the after hours, guys. It would be really in the after hours. So remember, right? We got the topside targets that we were expecting. Not quite got to the third one, but this is still part of that bear thesis. We gotta defend that. We gotta defend the bull case. Right? If you want to continue to the upside here. Broadening ascending wedges or ascending broadening wedges, a bearish outlook. So let's see right here. So is he bearish engulfing? Otis is calling on AMC hourly time frame. Let's take a look. So, okay, here we go. This is the 30-minute time frame closing. Red outside bar. This is going to shift. Yeah, it's already shifting. So, yeah, this is going to be pivoted towards the downside a little more here. And then that means that we are likely to come down to two support bounds. I'm going to give them to you right now. Here we go. This is your support bound number 1, right at about 503. And the bottom bound is going to be at around 482. Heads up. All right. Now, if you do catch that support, be very, very careful, okay, guys? Because I don't want you to sit down here into the areas of about 469 to 455. But this could be a really weird inverse head and shoulders. Remember, we were talking about the pullback here in a while. Right? So if we are getting this downside, that is building the shoulder. So it would be ideal that we came out to 503. Now, why would that be ideal? Well, let me give you the targets if that really did happen. Right? So we're looking at this really weird oblong freaking inverse head and shoulders. Let me give you the targets like this. See, your contact points are very nice, right? Not everyone knows that you can play an inverse head and shoulders like this, where you have regression instead of a flat top. It's okay. You apply it to the top side of your shoulder, price action would lead you to about $6.37. Now, if it is $6.37, I got to focus on a few things first. Let's look at the daily. Let's see if we have any targets up there that we could be experiencing or waiting for. Well, that would be 50% this gap on a daily. So let's just make sure that it is the 50%. Here we go. And there we go. So that gives us the range here. So let's just highlight that range, because that's likely where the focus area is going to be for price action to go to. Just like that, right? Now, let's make sure to put the price action here, because I always want you guys to have the screenshots. Always, right? We carry the receipts. All the time we carry the receipts. No matter what, I will own it, you guys. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And I'm not a perfect trader. I do experience losses every freaking day, right? But that's just how it happens. Hold on just a sec, team. Just a moment. My daughter is calling me. Just a sec, you guys. I have my daughter, and my son, they're both sick, right? So the stomach virus. Oh, we got 29.25 on GME. Hold up. Just got an alert. We just got an alert. Let's take a look. There we go. There we go. We just bursted through our number 2 target. We chirped. Let's go. Holy crap, what just happened? 1 hour ago, RoaringKitty's options in the spotlight. Okay, all right. Guys, what happened? Who bought what? Oh, damn. Next target. All right, let's put it in. Here's the next target. All right, the next chirp that we're waiting for is $30. $30.20, let me see. $30.27. Let's go. What the hell? All right. That was insane. Let me take a look at AMC. Oh, dude, what just happened? Hold up just a sec. Okay. Right. These were the targets from yesterday. Okay. So here we go. The targets that we were talking about for yesterday, team, right? We're looking at the upward bounds into this area here. We've already kind of knocked them out. Pull back to 515 perfectly. Damn, dude. Did we really just knock out all those targets in like right now? Holy crap. Look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. All right. This is the candle here, right? Take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is the candle right here. This is your target, 515. And I want you to take a look at the fucking OHLC on the low right there when I hover over that candle. There you freaking go. Let's go. Dead ass on the penny. Let's go. All right. So we got that bottom side. We're resisting off the 526 right now. If we get, oh my goodness. So Nadine's saying you called it. Your targets are spectacular. I love you. Thank you so much for coming on by and supporting all the time. Let's see. Oh my goodness, man. All right, guys. So the upside targets based on this, I gotta say, man, that it would be up here. I'm not sure that we're gonna reach it today, but these are the targets. I had you take the screenshots yesterday. These are the receipts from yesterday, man. Oh my goodness. So again, right? Take the freaking screenshot, right? I'm not trying to hide anything, man. I'm just going to give you the screenshots like that. What's up, Susan? Oh my goodness, man. So will AMC go up or down? I mean, dude, both. Up and down all the time. But what's the bias here, right? The bias is bullish. So I'm thinking that there could be, I don't want to get trapped in saying this, right? But I think there could be, I really do think that there could be a continuation in the after hours. But don't trust that, right? Because a lot of retail can't trade that. And honestly, a lot of retail, like, They don't even know that they could. DVS is telling us that 16.4K in new options on RoaringKitty's. What? Really? What the heck? So, guys, outstanding bounce at the 515 level here for the continuation to the upside. Goodness gracious, man. Man, this is incredible. All right. It's literally playing out the way it should be. I love it. I freaking love it. Oh, man. All right, guys. All right. So, yeah, if we're catching the entry here, yeah, I'm assuming the next step would be the next targets up here. Now, if we're validating this using volatility and momentum, let me see the 30-minute. Yeah, no, it's still on the pull. Oh, right. Let's go to the 10 then. The 10-minute and the 5-minute. Let's see. Oh, the 5-minute is starting to rip. We're starting to get expansion on the 5-minute time frame. Okay. Yes, this is your initial thrust, right? We got to make sure to get this initial power to really bleed from the 5-minute time frame into the 10-minute time frame, right? It needs to feel it. 10-minute time frame closing in 2 minutes here. It likely would get a pitch to the upside upon the closure of that 10-minute candle. Volatility may also start to expand. Text, we got the 618 bounce on the 5-minute. Let's go. Let's go. It's actually happening. My goodness. If it continues after hours and it runs another 30 to 50%, they're going to short it tomorrow morning, just like the last time, right? Yeah, I mean, there's always that potential. Guys, remember the thing is that we still have people that are trading. We still have people that are trading, the Euro hours, right? Guys, look at the target. Yes, we got the freaking target again. We just nailed the upside target and is pulling back from it. Let's go. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I don't know how else to express it to you, man. But we literally just knocked out all 3 targets today. And look at the freaking pullback from our targets. Come on, man. I don't know how else to tell you guys, man. Shelly called it. Shelly Hart totally called it. She said, what did I say? She said the moon. Let's go. Oh my goodness, man. Guys, that was insane. Okay, now Nadine's saying, what's the next target? Of course, remember that your usual pockets, when you're experiencing targets at around the whole numbers, when you're going towards your 30, your 35, 40, 45, right? When you experience those targets, there is a pocket of area. There's an area. It's a pocket where you usually take profits from and you enter. Lots of people, lots of activity happen there. Where is that? That's between $28 and $31. The next upside target here, $31.73. If we reach that target today, I'm going to freaking trip, but that is the next target. Oh my goodness, dude. What the heck did your freaking algo just went insane with that target? But guys, you are looking at this. How many times have we talked? Guys, I'm gonna just ask you right now, man. How many times have we talked over the last freaking 2 weeks? And I'm trying to get you guys to do the live stream with me, right? And tell me where the price is in the German markets or the Asian markets. And I'm trying to show you that I'm meeting the price targets as we talk. But what better is it that you're actually experiencing it with me live right fucking now? You're actually getting the targets that I'm talking about from yesterday, realizing in real time. I don't know how else to tell you guys to join the team, but I need to tell you to join the fucking team so you can benefit off of this shit. Because I am also a short trader, guys. That's why. This is a short play, so I'm telling you that this is the target. Man, that is insane. Let's go. Now let's go ahead and take a look at AMC. What the heck is it doing? Let's pull this back to the immediate short term. Hold up. All right. It's still happening. Let me pull this back to this chart here. Awesome. We got the 10-minute close. We're getting the pullback. Remember, the 10-minute close gets a little bit of a pullback, 44% to 50% pullback, right? You're longing at around 524. 526 is a critical. You just broke it. We're validating that resistance, now converting it into a support. So if it really is going to be there, then we're going to bounce from this area here, right? It's going to be 526 to 50%, which would be around about 523 would be the lower bound. Let me just measure it, right? I'll measure it for you guys. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, 524 would be that, would be the center bound. Let's, 524. 526 to 524. Okay, we're already getting the bounce from it. Nice. This is usually the zone where you bounce from, right? We just got that 10-minute close. We have about, 16, 17 minutes left to market close. So the upper bound target on this are these here, okay, you guys? Remember, this is still in play. I had you take I always have you take the screenshots so you have the receipts and you have the play for the next day. Here it is. These are your targets. 562. 50% of that is 574, and top bound would be 586. These are your near-term targets. We need to get there. We need to validate these. Right? Nadine is saying, I really hope Germany doesn't bring us down. Oh my goodness, man. Guys, we have to take this step by step. It's gotta work step by step. We can't rush it. We can't rush it. Right? There are rules and there are absolute areas and different criteria for both different assets. Okay, here we go. Price action just dipped. Ooh, got very close. 525 bottom so far. Now remember, the typical reaction if you break the 50% would be a 100% retrace. Right? So heads up. Wait for it. 526 to 524 is your support bound right now. Nadine saying, freaking Germany better buy. Batter. What's up, Batter? I hear that, man. Explicit. I hear that, bro. I do, man. I do. You're holding 20 shares at $30.99. Don't know if I should break even or hold. Dude, you could. Oh, there we go. What did you just see? Look at the candle. Bouncing and rejecting from that target. What was that? It doesn't mean that it's over. It just bounced from it. Guys, what was that target? I'm going to show you again. Here it is, right? Bam. Now, I want you to look at your low and observe here as I hover over the candle. What is the low? That's right. I want you guys to make sure to join so that you can understand how I trade as well. I have a different style. And we bounced right freaking from it. Let's go. I love it, team. I love it. I love that we can be able to support each other like this, man. Now remember, it's not always that I'm here live. This is a rare occasion because we just popped out of nowhere and price action was leading towards the targets that we were already talking about yesterday anyway. So I wanted to make sure to come on by live and give you the targets to the upside. Right? So for those of you that are new and coming in, well, there they are. Guys, I'm not, this is what I mean. This is what I mean every night, right? When you choose your analyst, when you choose your trader, whoever it is, right? It doesn't matter. Just make sure to forward test them. I'm telling you to take the receipts. I'm giving you the targets before they happen so that you know where the play is. So then when the targets do hit, you already can say, damn, Archibald had the receipts. He had me take the screenshots, and now here we are. Let's go. Super excited for you guys, man. Very excited for those of you who took position and are absolutely benefiting for the upside right now. Look at what happened to that candle. It's turning green, and we bounced right off of our support bottom, guys. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you other than I'm not doing this live in public every day. That's why I want you to join me in private. Make sure to come on by, guys. Damn. Right? But I have plenty of tricks to show you. I have plenty of ideas to share with you. Right? So now Devious inside of the Arc of Bulls trading team is saying most accurate TA I've seen yet. Hence why you're the only person I ever considered taking the course. My bro, that means such a great deal to me, man. Thank you so much for that, bro. That means a lot, man. A lot. Damn it, bro. Thank you, my dude. That really hit. That hit home. Right, man? Because bro, I'm doing this. I'm doing this. You know why? For those of you OGs, you know why. Right? It's not for the capital gain, man. It's for my family. I just want to make sure to keep a fucking roof over my kids' heads. That's all I'm here for. I'm not joking. I'm really not joking. I wish you guys even knew me. I wish you guys really knew me, because I'm not joking by that. That's all I want, is I want a roof over my kids' heads. That's all I want. And that's why I'm going to continue pushing, and I'm never going to stop. That's all I want. Man, this is exciting, you guys. Congratulations to you all for picking up positions where we were talking about our targets, right? Let's take a look at price action here. It's coming back. It's coming back in, Patty. All hearts to you. Here we go, man. Is it trying to do it again? I can't believe it in the last 10 minutes, bro. Now, Tex is saying, man, you know what? I could actually just share it with you guys, dude. This is so damn cool. I appreciate you, buddy. I appreciate that a great deal, man. I know it's going to be a little bit hard to see this, right? But it's all good. Tex is saying, that's why I got the lifetime. And when my schedule allows, I'm taking his courses to add to my style. But working 2 jobs and trading while working, one of them, kind of fun. Bro, let's go, man. Dude, I absolutely love it, man. Thank you so much for supporting. Love you, buddy. Can't wait to see you in class, man. Guys, yeah, I can't. If you don't claim your seat, man, I don't know what to do, okay? If you don't claim it, I really don't know what to do. I don't even know if I have a couple of people here that have been waiting. Oh, my goodness, guys. All right. I'm thinking that I'm going to close out my Apple calls around here. I'm about 20% up on those and looking good. Right, guys? Look at this thing. It's climbing up. It's climbing up. Oh, man. Ape Shit also agrees. He's saying, I feel that I'm a full-time employee and a full-time student and about to be charting it up. My dude. Check it out, you guys. It's coming back up to that $30 target. Oh, man. Let's go. That's Apple going up, you guys. Damn. Yo, that is insane. Let's go. It's about to go up again. Oh, my goodness. Devious, it says this one is almost full. One of the next dates. Damn. A new high. Oh my goodness, let's go. Wow. Where the heck is GME going? Let's do it. Dude, it's always a gamble to try to catch me with these courses, man. I try my best when I have these like gaps. You know? The last time this happened, 2 times before this happened, I didn't think I was going to be able to continue on them, but I started getting a bunch of requests again. So I did it, right? So this time I got a bunch of requests again too. So I did it again. Now Turbo saying I'm definitely still in for the course, buddy. Oh, okay, buddy. Yeah, you let me know whenever you're. I got you. But let me know if I can let go of that seat too, buddy, because it is reserved for you. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Devious. Appreciate you, buddy. Guys, damn. Oh my goodness, bro. My Apple calls are way up. Whoa. Apple is currently freaking going to the moon. Let's go. Oh my goodness, everything is mooning. Oh, dude. Yeah, boy. Here we go. Here we go. AMC wants it, bro. I still have those, bro. They're over 30% up now. Oh, dude, nice. Good stuff. Guys, yeah, I don't know. I think, don't quote me on this, right? But I think there could be, do not quote me on this, but I do think that there could be continuation in the after hours. But, you know, obviously, right, there could be a massive, like, super mysterious freaking order block that gets filled in the post hours, and then it drops it, man, which would be absolutely insane. I hope that doesn't happen, but we're hovering around our top side target, you guys. That's so awesome. I love that we were able to claim this, man. Bro, that is insane. Let's go. On AMC, how low the pullback could go? So Eddie G is saying catalyst is the stock sale should be complete. What? So Pratt is saying that GME may close at 32. Dude, I mean, you're looking at our upside targets there, 3163, 3173, one of those two. So you may be right, buddy. You may be right, man, but we're going towards those targets, man. We put them all together here with all the receipts and everything just last night. All we're doing is playing the play, bro. All we're doing is playing the play that we put together last night. That is literally all. Which is why we call them the fucking market preps. You move. Lux is saying moving to 626 after hours and back down. There could always be distribution. Man, look at this, into a new high. Whoa. That is absolutely powerful. Guys, my Apple calls are still above 30%. Oh, man. GME is currently 23% up on the day. It is now over. Oh my goodness, that thing is going. Let's go. Wow. New highs are printing and we're continuing to go. Remember, guys, for those of you who are new, these are the upper bound targets that we're waiting for, 3163 to 3173. New highs again. There are literally zero halts. That's right. Big swing. I didn't even notice that until now. What the heck? Oh my goodness. Let's go. Oh my goodness, guys, my Apple calls are 46% up. Let's go. I'm gonna take 90% of my position out here, and I'm gonna let a runner run on Apple. I'm just gonna let a runner go into tomorrow and see where it goes into Tomorrowland. Let's go. Damn, that was a new high. 30.92. Let's go. Damn. Where is AMC? Did it do it or no? Oh my goodness, dude. This thing is so damn volatile as well, though. Oh, bro. I mean, dude, look at this. In 3 minutes, we're going to get market close. In 3 minutes, we're going to get market close. And this is probably going to continue. I don't know. But this was a lot of upside, bro. This was a lot of upside. Where was it? Let me see. Oh my goodness, dude. That's all right here. Oh, bro, let's do it. Look at that, man. Almost a 36% run thus far. Wow. This is absolutely incredible, you guys. Next target, remember, next target we're observing here is 31.63 to 31.73. Let's see if we can catch that on the fly and close this day massively green beyond the pre-market prior day. If we get beyond that pre-market prior day, that's going to be such an amazing psychological beat. We might not get it here in the last 2-3 minutes, but there is still a potential of getting this into the after hour. So if the after hours close above 31.89, damn, dude, that is going to look like a massive beat towards retail, and it's going to grow the anxiety overnight, and then people are going to want to long the crap out of it all through Euro Open at 4 in the morning Eastern time. Oh my goodness, man. This is such a massive run. Yeah, okay, guys, I realized the position on the Apple calls, and my runners are still freaking 45% up. Damn, let's go. That's the way it goes, team. Please do me a favor. Make sure to get this thing to 500 likes. Let's do it, guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Let's do it together, man. Let's take this thing to the fucking moon. Let's go. Oh, damn, bro. Ape, I know. I was thinking about a VPN as well, bro. Let's go. But that means we only have like 2 hours to open up a brokerage right now. Open up an account with a VPN and let's do it. Arca, yeah, I am in the West Coast, yes. What time is market prep on the East Coast? And missed it last night. So yesterday we did kind of a later one because the master students, you know, I had to submit my my final exam to them. So the final exam went out, and we didn't do it until 10:30 Eastern time, right? So for me, you know, that's 3 hours earlier. So I try to get it. I try to get in as early as I can so that I can show you guys whatever I'm observing. But you know, it's just like I said, guys. Yeah, it's just we had class yesterday. Got to do the priorities, right? Got to take care of those priorities, right? But now the last of the master students right now just received those final exams. Where is market close, guys? We got market close. Here we go. 15 seconds to go. Let's see where we close. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what's up. Damn, what a... Yeah, guys, I'm going to roll these runners. They're now 50% up on the Apple calls. I'm just going to let them go. Here we go. Market closed at $30.47. What a massive beat above $30. Damn. Guys, what a marathon. And here goes the price. Again to the upside. Let's go. Check it out. This is literally what I was telling you about. Oh, oh, damn. We're about to go to that target, guys. The next upside target is 31.63 to 31.73. We might actually get it. Oh, damn. We just peaked above. Bro, what? That is so exciting. I'm so excited for you guys. Let's do it. Let's freaking do it. Oh, man. Let's go, you guys. Let's do it, man. I really, really appreciate you all coming by. For those of you who already signed up, make sure to stick around. I'll give you the roles inside of the Arca Bulls the trading team. Just hold up for me, right? I know. I'm just lagging right now because I'm streaming live, right? So I gotta too. So hold up. right? But remember, hit those links in the bottom left or bottom right. I know my logo is all over the freaking PayPal one, right? But if you go into the description, Square is there, and you're able to click on the PayPal link in there as well. Or just search me at Arca Bulls. That's really all it is. Guys, this is absolutely incredible. My goodness, I can't believe we went all the way to 31. Let's go. Oh, dude. Do I think AMC will rip? I mean, these guys are running in tandem, right? These guys are running in tandem. We're going to experience, I mean, AMC, you got to remember, AMC started running GME. So this one's got to pull. This one's got to chill around these zones here, 515, 526, right? If we get, I mean, that's your inflection point. Break the 515, we're coming down to 507. But this is your chop area for now. Just hold up on that, right? Just hold up on it. Yeah, guys, all right, I'm trying my best right now to give you some of the rolls as you're coming in. I love it, team. Thank you so much for supporting the team. I love you guys. Thank you. All right, I got a few of you in there already, so just heads up, right? You're about to gain visibility. There you go. There you go. All good. And let's see, I got one more here. Hold up. I'm giving you the roll. All right, it's good. You're good to go. There you go. Yeah, you're all good to go. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming on by. Make sure to hit that introduce yourself, right? Let me know who you are. Come by, say what's up. I love it, guys. Thank you so much for coming on by. And yeah, remember, guys, as you sign up for the Lifeline, I'll just be able to, I'm just going to go ahead and assign your role, come back in. Please remember if you're doing it through Square, go through Square, yes, but leave me your username and I'll be able to assign the role to you as soon as you show up. So mention me in the landing pad. All right, when you show up to the landing pad, mention me and I'll be able to assign your role. Oh my goodness, you guys. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining, you guys. Really love it. Really love it. So Rab saying, congrats, Arca. Thank you for the info. Got it, man. Nadine saying, I hope your kids feel better, Arca. You got it, guys. Pedro, first time posting. You're really good. You're really good, man. God bless. God bless to you, buddy. Thank you guys so much for coming on by. I'm going to try to do. Oh, nice, Lauren. You kill that, bro. Nice. Ruben saying show support and hit the like button. Let's go, man. E. Kim, you're in Germany. Let's go. Make sure to keep that price action up. To the moon. That's right, guys. That's right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming on by. Just remember to leave me remember to leave me or email me the receipt and also your username, Discord, and I'll assign you the role, okay? I want to make sure that you get in it. All right. Here we go. Nice, guys. And now, yes, man, there's a lot of requests for the seats already, guys. My goodness, man. There's, guys, that's a lot. Thank you, guys. I'm going to try my best to fill all of you in the Arc Masters course, okay? So make sure I'm literally going to have to I'm going to have to boost that damn server all the way again. Guys, okay. All right. So thank you everybody for submitting your requests for the Masters course. That is literally capacity already. So I'm just going to go ahead and just and I'm going to try to get you in, all right? So Arc Masters course at Gmail for the Beginner's Mentorship Program. That's going to be a 5-week mentorship, okay? Get in touch with me. ArcMastersCourse at gmail.com. And we're just going to go ahead and close up the stream here, and everything will be chilling. All right? Wall Street Ponzi, I love you, buddy. Good to see you in here. And the next full, we're about to behave weird on the next full, man. I know we are, man. We're going to be weird. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much, everybody, for coming on by. Really appreciate you. Let's go ahead and keep on pushing forward. And I'll see you in the trading team tomorrow morning, all right? Now, I'm going to make a decision later of if I come on live, I may actually be a little limited with resources, right? Because I'm going to be at Grandma's house for the little guy. I got to take the little guy to Grandma because she needs to see him. He's been sick, and she's over there like, what's happening? Right? So I'm going to be streaming from her freaking house on one damn screen. I got to stop by Best Buy. I got to get 2 more, at least. All right. Whatever. I love you guys. If any questions or concerns, you know where to reach me, man. You guys already know where to reach me. I love you, team. Let's talk soon. Oh.